in buffet system you can take by yourself, okay? And if we are giving some staff person, some bearer, some waiters, they will provide you food.
Okay.
So for my viewers, could you please introduce yourself?
Sure, why not? I am Shatanti. I'm talking to you from West Bengal. I'm talking about my academic credentials. I have done my graduation and post-graduation in English literature, and I have also completed BA. These days, I have been teaching. I have been teaching offline it since many years, but recently I have started teaching online as well. And talking about my hobbies, I like singing, dancing, and reading books. And I have been running my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is Speak with Shortcut. That's all about me. How's your daughter?
My daughter is doing good right now. She is giving exams.
Okay, okay. So
So today
daughter's
we will
examination may
roleplay. Yes,
huh?
our exam will end 28th September. Yes, tomorrow. All the exams will end. Yes. So
Okay.
today we will play a role play. Are you ready for
Okay.
it?
Yeah, yeah. What kind of role play?
This is role play.
What will be
Yes,
my role?
we are just trying. I'm not saying we will. Actually, we are trying for 100%, but sometimes it happens we are not giving. Because it's a random role play. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
In this role play, there are two characters. Okay. One is manager, restaurant manager, and second one is the client. You are the client. I am a manager of the restaurant. You want book a private dining area for your kitty. You have 12 friends, including you, and you want book a kitty party area in my restaurant. Okay?
I want to throw a party in that restaurant. That is why I
Yes,
want to
kitty
book.
party. Yes, private dining area. Private
Okay.
dining area. Okay?
But although I don't have experience of.
Okay, okay. I will just tell you, and you will reply just yes or no. Okay? Is it enough
Okay,
for you?
okay. It's okay.
Okay. Okay. So, ma'am, may I help you?
Just please help me. I want to book few rooms because I want to throw a party to all my friends. So we are 12, including me. So we want to book. I want to book few rooms. Could you help me in that?
Actually, this is a good restaurant, and we are booking dining area, private dining area for your friends. It is sufficient for your friends. So, tell me how many friends are coming in this event?
Yeah, there are 11, including me. 12. We are 12.
12. And what is the
Mhm.
timing and date for the event?
Okay,
When you
we
are
are
planning?
going to. Yeah, we are going to come on 23rd October at evening, 7 p.m.
Okay. Yes. Okay, I can book. But before booking, I want 20% advance payment.
Okay, how much I have to pay now?
First, I will tell you some qualities of my restaurant. After that, I will tell you. Okay.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
First, you can take a visit that area where you want your kitty party. So,
Mm-hmm.
come with me. I will show you that area.
Okay.
Okay. This is suitable for your kitty party, ma'am? This area?
Yes, yes. This area is quite beautiful. Yeah.
Hmm. We are giving some decorations also, like balloons, some party poppers. Do you also like it? So we
Yeah,
will
yeah, I
add.
would love. Mm.
And for
Okay.
this, we want some additional amount also. So do you
Okay.
want
I
these
have to.
decorations?
Yeah, I have to pay extra money for that, for those kind of
Okay.
things. Okay. Okay, I will pay for that too. I want those.
There are so many themes for the kitty. Have you selected any theme for your kitty party?
Could you please show me what are those themes?
Like sometime somewhere you can use some props and some dresses also we are giving because we have
Okay.
tied up, boutiques where you can take these dresses on rents.
Okay, so that my friends can also wear those dresses. You are also giving dresses for
You have
rent.
to pay for it. Pay for it because if you
Okay,
are organizing a party and if you don't have that kind of particular dress, so you can take on rent.
okay, so I will. I don't know whether my friend will like it
But
or
you
not.
should,
Okay,
but
okay.
I think first you should discuss with your friends. After that, you should
Yes,
decision.
I will let you know later because I don't know whether they will like it or not.
Yes. And the starters, we will provide paneer tikka and kathi roll.
Mm-hmm.
And in the main course, we have two varieties, non-veg and veg. So your friends
Mm-hmm.
like veg or veg, we will provide as per your choice.
Non-veg.
Non-veg. Okay. So we can provide biryani and tandoori, tandoori roti and
Mm.
some kebabs. These are special kebabs of Lucknow.
Okay, okay.
Yes. And what kind of welcoming mocktails you like?
I yeah,
Like we have mojito, and some juices also we have.
okay.
Yes,
Juices. What kind of juices you have?
yes, like strawberry juices we have, and some mocktails
Okay.
also available. If you want, then we can provide.
Okay, I would like to have strawberry
I
juices.
think you should, but first I think you should take these mocktails. After that, you should cook these.
Okay. So what do you think? Which one will be better, mocktails or juices?
I think mocktails are good for kitty party.
Okay, okay, then I will go for that.
We have welcome drinks. We will offer you at that event.
Hmm.
Yes,
Okay.
we have two type of facility like a buffet system, and we our staff can also serve food your friends. So in buffet system, you can take by yourself, okay? And if we are giving some staff person, some bera, some waiters, they will provide you food.
Okay.
Yes.
So which one would be better if I ask you?
Nowadays people are taking buffet,
Okay, so I will go for buffet.
but I think first you should discuss with your friends.
Yeah, I don't know what to do, but yeah, I can discuss with my friends. Mm.
Yes. And in the desserts, we are giving gulab jamun and ice creams.
Okay.
Yes. So this was our menu. Do you like it?
Mm. Yes, yes, I liked it. I
Okay.
liked all
So
the dishes.
after confirm the date and time, you have to pay some amount, advance amount. Then we can book this space for your kitty party.
Okay, so how can I pay through phone pay or Google Pay? How do you take money?
You can apply anyone. You can give me cash. You can give me by Google Pay, UPI. It's all up to you.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Yes. Do you
So
any other question regarding this kitty party?
what?
Do
Could you
you
repeat?
any question regarding your kitty party?
No, I don't have any questions. So you have told me everything that you are providing all kinds of facilities, and I
Yeah,
have heard from.
I tell you one thing. I forget tell you one thing. If like you have paid me amount, advance amount, and you are going to cancel this event. So it's your responsibility. You have to inform me 48 hours ago. If you are not doing this thing, we can't cancel your event. You have to pay full amount. It's our
Okay.
term and condition. I forget to tell you, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. So I heard from my few of my friends, they were telling that you in your restaurant you are providing all kind of facilities. So that is why I come here. So yeah,
No,
I
no, ma'am.
liked all your this.
Yes, sometimes it happens like people are coming, they are giving advance amount, and they are not telling that they are canceling their event, and after that they are demanding for
Mhm.
their amount. So it is our
Oh,
policy. You have to inform me 48 hours ago if you are not conducting these kind of parties. Then we can provide
okay.
your, then we can give your advance payment. Otherwise, there we can't provide your advance payment.
Yeah, it should be like this, and people should let you know before 48 hours ago. Otherwise, you arrange everything, so it also costs something. So people shouldn't do this kind of thing. Yeah, if something happens like this, if I am unable to organize this party, then definitely I will let you know before 48 hours later.
Our restaurant is very good restaurant, and it is suitable for small gathering.
Yes, yes, I really liked your restaurant. It's really beautiful, and your the behavior of all the people here is also very good. I liked it, and I would also suggest to all this to all my friends, relatives, so that they also get to know about your restaurant. They also come here because you are providing such facilities. Everyone should take these advantages and facilities. I would recommend to all my friends and relatives, and I really like this restaurant. And we are looking forward for our uh, party. You all
Oh,
will come on
yes,
23rd
you are
October.
free to ask anything, anytime.
Yes.
So,
Thank
what
you.
do you think about role play? Do you think it's a very good activity?
Absolutely, it's a great activity. Everyone can do this kind of activity to enhance their English speaking skills because you have to think immediately. So it's quite good.
But it was random. So, I have just asked some question, and I have given you, and you have to give me some answers.
But I was totally unaware of this kind of things because I have never organized any parties, so I don't, and I never talked with any restaurant manager or something like that. So I was unaware of this. So
But maybe in future,
but
maybe in future,
I
you
didn't.
will book any banquet hall, any other, dining areas. So that time it is really helpful conversation.
Yeah, definitely, it will help me. And I did, although I didn't play well, but later I will definitely play well this kind of role.
You can repeat this role play in with other YouTuber, with other co-learner. Yes.
Right, right. I can do this.
So, do you have any question for me? Otherwise, I am going to wind up this session.
Okay, we can wind up this session today and definitely we'd love to talk later. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your valuable time. It was nice
Same
talking to
here.
you.
Same here. Bye bye.
Bye.